Sa mga relatives ko po na manonood na tong video na to, hindi po lahat totoo. Eme-eme lang yung iba. So, chill lang tayo, guys. Chill lang tayo, guys. So, hey ladies, this is Reinna and welcome back to my channel! So, ayun nga po, no? So, yung other side ng bangs ko is ready na for the new year. Taas-taas ng energy niya and everything. And then yung isa, nag-iimbak pa lang ng energy. I'm sorry if medyo maingay na sa paligid natin. Sino ba naman kasi nagsabi na mag-shoot tayo sa mismong araw ng New Year? What we're going to do for tonight is my New Year Eve's makeup look. Without further ado, wala na tayong chika-chika. So, let's get started! First off, tanggalin ang bangs para walang sagabal. Like, cutting off all the toxic people in your life last 2019. So, bye guys! Babush na. Nakapag-skincare naman na ako. If you've seen my story sa aking IG, nakita nyo naman na nag-face mask na ako and everything. First is first, on doing our makeup is our primer. Kailangan natin ng primer to have a strong and intact makeup. Like yung mga relationships na nagagamit natin for this 2020, for this coming 2020, kailangan lahat sila ay may primer or may foundation. Yes, may hugot tayo for this video. Bigla ang idea lang ng ate. Since dito nga lang naman ako sa bahay, I'm gonna use my BB cream. So, wala pa akong maisip na hugot para dito. So, now that our foundation is done, yes, torotot, guys. Woo! And what we're gonna do next is conceal all the feelings that we have for our crushes last year. We have to endure the pain. Wala eh. Hindi sila nag-crush back eh. Kaya, bye Felicia. New set of crushes na lang for this year. Right, guys? After concealing all the things that needs to be concealed on our face, next thing that we need to do is to set it with powder. Guys, as usual, need natin iset yung pinaglalagay natin sa mukha natin para magtagal yung makeup. Akala nyo na naman, another hugot. Ayan, puro kasi kayo love life. O kamusta naman ba yung mga other stuff nyo sa buhay? So, after setting everything with powder, I wanna do baking. Kahit naman na isang oras ko lang isusuot tong makeup na to, trip ko pa din mag-bake. Kasi may hugot ako para din sa baking. Okay, guys. Huwag kayong ano dyan. Kailangan natin mag-bake ng face para lahat ng mga papapasukin natin sa buhay natin this 2020 is lalo pang magtagal sa buhay natin. Okay, guys? Doon na tayo sa pang matagalan. Dapat doon na tayo sa mga people na nagkikare talaga sa atin and everything like that. Hindi yung disposable na mga tao lang. Yes! Ang daming alam ng atin yung mga pinagdaanan ngayon paon. Woo! Dapat ang ibebake ko lang kasi talaga yung under eye ko tsaka yung cheekbones ko eh. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nilagyan ko na rin ulit yung buong mukha ko. After doing all the base stuff, what we're going to do next is to contour our face. We need to contour our face para this 2020, harapin natin lahat ng bagay with a bag. Game face on tayo lagi. Papatungan pa natin ng contour powder, yung contour liquid na nilagay natin kanina para So, ayan, we're already done with our base and our contour. So, babalikan na lang natin yung blush and yung highlighter. Pero yung mga ex natin na sinaktan tayo dati, yun dapat binabalikan yan, guys. Ekis na sila sa 2020 natin, okay? For my brows, I think, hindi ko na siya gagawing pakak. So, I'll stick to my natural brows. Yes, natural po iyan. Medyo nakalbo ko lang siya, hindi ko alam kung bakit. What I'm going to do with it is use my eyebrow gel first. So, I know this is kind of backwards. to dry, I think I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes. If you're out and about, or if you're partying, kayo na, you could use an eyeshadow primer to make your eyeshadow last longer. So, for me, hindi na ako maggaganon kasi nga, I'll sleep right away after eating medianoche. Pataba tayo this year. Charas! For my base, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use a white eyeshadow for my base. So for 2020, what am I looking forward to? But I'm still looking forward to facing new challenges kasi I know that I learned a lot from my previous experience this year, and I think that I'll be able to handle it better. And this 2020, I am hoping that I could still be able to do what I love doing. Kasi medyo naging seryoso tayo, my God! This 2019, adulting hit me hard. Adulting kinda scares me because ako alam ko sa sarili ko, I'm not that mature. Nasa border ako ng mature kid and ng childish kid. Ayan, even I'm still calling myself a kid. But, ayun nga, make use of what you have. Enjoy the little things and be in the moment. Yun na lang din siguro yung dapat ko sabihin sa sarili ko. For your future self, if you're gonna watch this, so this is Reinna of 2019. The Reinna of the end of a decade. Sana maging fit si future self. You need to be healthy. Since Pantone color of the year is color blue, hindi ko talaga alam yung specific name ng color, but I think it's blue. And I'm gonna use this one as the color for my middle part of my eye. For my 2020 again, I want to produce more contents for my YouTube channel kasi this year napansin ko na 4 lang ata yung videos na nagawa ko. Alright, I think we're done with my eyeshadow. Sabi ko simple lang, di ba? Carried away ako. Medyo nag-enjoy ako sa paglagay ko ng eyeshadow. To balance out my eye look, I need to put on tiny bit amount of eyeliner. Walang hingahan, guys! Pero sa 2020, need natin huminga. Let's take a breather. Huwag tayo magpaka-stress sa buhay. Tandaan natin na life is short. Yes, naging meditative tayo this time. Yes, as I was saying, let's all take a breather. Every time na we think all the things or lahat ng bagay is too much. Pinapatuyo ko lang yung eyeliner. Before we do our mascara or our eyelashes, I think I need to go back to my eyebrows. Alam ko sinabi ko kanina huwag nang babalikan yung mga hindi dapat balikan, pero kilay is life, guys. Kilay is life. So after natin patuyuan yung eyebrow gel, what I'm going to do is brush it up para matanggal lang yung crunchies sa kilay ko. After that, I'm gonna go back and use an eyebrow pencil or an eyebrow gel. If you feel ko lang lahat ng mga sparse areas or yung tingin ko, yung mga sparse areas ko sa kilay with my eyebrow pencil. We need to perfect the eyebrows, but not too perfect din siguro kasi we still need to make room for improvements or for mistakes sa ating future. After the brows, sabi nga natin, gagamitan na natin is yung mascara. I'm just going to use this kasi it's a little bit chill. Kasi sobrang eye-catching na nung eyes natin. So, I think we need to tone it down a bit for our blushes. this blush is for those who's gonna make us happy in the future. I'm actually gonna wear this look tonight kasi I just realized na this isn't just makeup. So while I'm doing this makeup, it became more than just a makeup look to me. This is more of like my 2019 on my face. After the cheesy comment about this makeup look, we need to highlight our face. We need to highlight our face to remember all the good things that will happen this year. For the lips, I think I'm gonna use a neutral shade again. So yes, something different, something new, mas bonad na hair for 2020. Woo! So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and yung mga pahugot ko kanina na impromptu ko lang naman. So that wasn't on the plan. So pagpasensyahan nyo na if medyo corny. Sana I did make you guys happy. So a better year and to the better versions of ourselves this 2020. Happy New Year guys and enjoy the rest of the year. Bye!
Meme!
Daming commercial!